beautiful, 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 beautiful angel.
It isn't just men that have male pattern baldness. Women, for many different reasons, start losing hair in spots as well. Maybe not as much up here that men do, but around the front.
Women get more of what's called diffuse hair loss. So it's throughout the entire area for them. And so for many women, while a hair transplant can be performed, usually medical therapy is better for them to start out with, to build up the hair. And so earlier we were talking about the vampire facelift. So
Right.
that same PRP, platelet-rich plasma, has been found to help with hair growth.
Want to see and learn more? Well, you can watch the full episodes with Dr. Mark Berkowitz and Jackie Kallen by searching Accent Your Beauty on YouTube or by going to newradiomedia.com, where you can catch our newest episodes every Wednesday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our social media pages to keep up to date with our tips and ideas on how to be the more beautiful you. Links in the post above.